Welcome back, and with that we will conclude the first part of the tutorial, that is a very brief introduction of how to use 61499 and NxtStudio tool to program a simple example of lifting luggage. We did a complete hardware in loop simulation in this tutorial. In the follow-up tutorials, you will learn about how to build CAT function blocks. CAT stands for Composite Automation Types, which is what you see here. So what we will do in the next stage of tutorial is we will build a simple HMI like this using NxtStudio's CAT function blocks to design and develop a control panel where we can press start, stop, pause, etc. Thank you all for seeing this tutorial. I hope that this tutorial has been very informative, and now you can dig more deeper into 61499 and NxtStudio tool. See you when we meet again for the next tutorial. Bye-bye.